Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of organization. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and want to bring more order into your life, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share practical tips and strategies to help you become more organized and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Number one is assess your current situation. Before diving into organization techniques, take a moment to assess your current situation. Identify areas in your life where you feel disorganized or overwhelmed. It could be in your workspace, digital files, daily routines, or even your personal life. Understanding your pain points will help you prioritize and focus on the areas that need the most attention. So my second piece of information to you guys is declutter and simplify. Clutter can be a major source of stress and distraction. Start by decluttering your physical and digital spaces. Get rid of items you no longer need. Organize your belongings and create designated spaces for everything. Digitally organize your files into folders and delete unnecessary documents. Remember, a clutter-free environment promotes clarity and focus. So my third and final tip for you guys all is to establish a routine. Establishing a routine is crucial for staying organized. Create a daily or weekly schedule that includes dedicated time for work, relaxation, and personal activities. Stick to your routine as much as possible, as it helps create structure and reduce decision fatigue. Remember to include breaks and self-care activities to maintain balance. So that was it for today's video, everybody. I hope this really helped you all in organizing your life and having a stress-free lifestyle. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.